we recording? All right, today I'm going to show you how to install the SB ballistic glass in a Ford Explorer. This is a regular Ford Explorer. In order to modify it, what we have to do is we have to cut the door here at the front and here at the back also and slightly bend it out. We also have this piece that has to be taken out, and to take it you have to have a chisel and you have to cut it all the way here and here. And then right down the center, you have to cut it here, here, and you're going to have to use this piece to mount back in the center to hook up the control for the window so that it can go up and down. Now that we've cut it out, we're going to show you installing the glass into the Ford Explorer. Now, another thing, this glass is a lot thicker, and because of that, that's the reason why we have to cut it in here. There's also a seal that goes around there, and there's a little piece that you have to pull out of that seal in order to accommodate it because of the thickness of the glass. Once it's installed and once it's put back into position with the door panel, the glass will easily go up and down. Okay, what we're doing now is we're pulling out this piece. As you saw, the glass easily went in and went out. However, it'll go up and down a lot smoother and it will not hang up if you cut this piece right here off of the molding. And that's what we're going to do. In order to do it, it's best to take it out of the door jamb or door seal and cut it. This is the piece that is best taken out. Just like that, get you a razor and just go down the edge there. That piece will come out real easy and it'll make for a glass that goes up and down without any problem at all. Okay, take it down the seam and it cuts pretty easy.
Okay, so this is a new rail, which is thicker than the original. So we put the adhesive on, and then we slide it onto the bottom of the glass. So now we're tightening the screws with a ratchet. And as you notice, there's a mat protecting the inside of the glass. So when you put the glass up and down, the inside surface, which is polycarbonate, won't scratch against the steel in the door. Now we slowly drop the window.
Duro.